Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring your phone meets minimum specs and network needs. First, confirm 3 GB RAM, a 64-bit CPU, and Android 8, 0 or iOS 13 or newer. That avoids unexpected crashes. Once done, free 2 to 4 GB of storage and close background apps to reduce frame drops. Then, install the official client or a trusted port, sign in, and enable cloud saves so progress syncs across devices. This gets you from 0 to ready to play. You now tune controls and the interface to match your hands and play style. Start by setting touch sensitivity and dead zones so abilities register without misclicks. Aim for responsive but not twitchy input. Then reorganize the HUD. Place the minimap, skill icons, and consumables within comfortable thumb reach to reduce repositioning. Map common commands to gestures or quick taps, and enable aim assist if you need help targeting. Remember, it changes how you learn aiming, so adjust gradually. You finish by optimizing performance and testing stability so matches go smoothly. Lower graphics to balanced or low, cap the FPS to a stable 30 or 60 to prevent thermal throttling, and enable battery saver only if you accept lower performance. Make sure you play on 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a low-latency mobile network, and turn on built-in network prediction when present. If issues persist, clear the app cache, reinstall the client, and retest with default controls to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.